Maintenance mode enables you to reduce alert noise during the scheduled maintenance window. So alerts generated during active maintenance window would be automatically suppressed, and hence no notifications are generated for those suppressed alerts. To put a service under maintenance, click on Services and hover over the desired service and click on Maintenance mode. Now switch the toggle, select the start date, end date and the start time and the end time. Now select how do you want to repeat this maintenance window and select till when do you want to repeat this maintenance window. Let's say 17th of December 2022. Here you will see the upcoming maintenance schedule. You can also create another maintenance window if required, or just click on Save. That's it, your maintenance window has been updated. If you wish to put all your services under maintenance mode in one go, check this box and click on Maintenance mode. Switch the toggle and repeat the process.